Good day, Cebuana. This is Alan Malig. I'm with the ICT Group, and welcome to the April 2021 edition of Cebuana Matters, featuring our vision, mission, corporate values, and purpose. Allow me to share my thoughts and insights about our VMVP, particularly in the context of the services and products that we offer in ICT. At present, I'm responsible and accountable for strategic information systems planning, as well as for balancing technology-related operational needs with financial considerations. I'm also responsible for assuring data integrity and security, of course, to provide timely, cost-effective, and accurate delivery of information and services. I'm also responsible for the development and operations of information systems that we operate on behalf of the PJ De Villiers Group. So in all of these, one might ask, saan pumapasok yung vision, mission, values, and purpose natin, especially in what we do in ICT? Actually, the short answer there is that in everything we do, we try our best to align with our mission, vision, values, and purpose. For instance, in order to empower fellow Filipinos through financial services anytime, anywhere, our commitment in ICT is to develop IT solutions and provide services that can be used by our branch personnel and sales team to serve the financial needs of our clients and business partners. Siyempre, we don't stop there. Aside from those used by our support and frontliner teams, we also develop, operate, and maintain apps to serve the financial transaction needs of our clients outside the branch, anytime, anywhere, in the comfort of their homes and offices, especially right now during time na may pandemic tayo. Moving on to our mission naman, for us in ICT, we look at becoming a trusted financial partner by ensuring that we deliver reliable, accurate, and secure IT services and applications. For me, trust is something you gain if you can rely on an app or a solution to provide for your financial needs anytime, anywhere. In everything we do, we are guided by our company values, namely, or more popularly known through its acronym, I-RIGHTS. In ICT, we approach all challenges and opportunities presented to us with an innovative mind and with the objective of delivering excellent and quality IT solutions and services. However, we cannot accomplish all of these on our own. Teamwork and collaboration with the other units within the PGLI family, strengthened by mutual respect and integrity, will be the key to our success as an organization. During the early part of the lockdown, we had to upgrade on very short notice our VPN infrastructure in order to allow more users to connect remotely. I guess especially during the early times of the lockdown, there were a lot of people who had to work from home. So as part of the mandate of ICT, it was our responsibility to ensure that we'll be able to do so in a manner that is secure and reliable. We had to support all initiatives of our business units to accelerate our digital and online solutions in order to respond to the increase in demand for online transactions because of the pandemic. It tested the resolve and character of everyone within the PGLI group because delivery timelines became tighter and more demanding. Everyone sacrificed sleep, holidays, time with family, and weekends just to meet the deadlines. 2020 tested our mettle as a team and our ability to deliver during times of crisis. If I will be asked to share my thoughts on the importance of one out of the 5 corporate values that we have, my hands-down choice would probably be integrity. The reason behind this is because I look at integrity in 2 ways. Of course, first is as a value, and secondly, the context of IT, wherein it refers to information or data integrity. Integrity as a value refers to the practice of being honest and showing a consistent and uncompromising adherence to strong moral and ethical principles and values. In ethics, it is regarded as the honesty and truthfulness or accuracy of one's action. As an IT term naman, integrity refers to the accuracy and completeness of information or data. In fact, it can even be penalized or sued if we do not do so because present is now considered a data privacy right of every Filipino. Just imagine na lang natin, what will happen if, for instance, if we have a money remittance transaction na after saving it in iClick, mababago yung control number or amount. Malaking gulo yun, di ba? That is why, for me, data integrity is a very important ingredient in achieving our mission of becoming the most trusted financial partner. Kasi simple lang yon. How can we be trusted by our clients if we cannot even keep their information accurate and complete at any given time? I would like to thank everyone for taking time to listen to me as I shared my thoughts and insights on our vision, mission, values, and purpose. It is my hope that our VMVP will continue to serve as our beacon or guiding light during times of doubt, confusion, or challenges, while at the same time inspiring us to achieve greater heights. Wishing everyone good health and positive vibes during these trying pandemic times. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy always. Good day, Kacebuana.